Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to share with you some of the best watch faces that I've been using on Amazfit Bip 6, and a lot of you have been asking about these watch faces. So in this video I'm going to answer all of your questions. Let's get started. The first watch face, as you can see, has this beautiful always on display, big blocky numbers, tells you the time. Perfect. Tap on it and it comes alive. Now it also tells you the day and the date. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's very high quality, very crisp, and the name of this watch face is Aroxys. Now I really wish that they added the ability to at least change the colors of the date and the day, and that would have given it some really cool customization effects. But even without that, this watch face is way too cool. My next favorite is called Curve Block 2, and as you can see that the theme is pretty consistent here as well. This watch face also has big blocky numbers, tells you the time very clearly, shows you the battery percentage, then there is the date, the day, and the number of steps that you have taken. If I turn on the always on display, look at how beautiful that always on display is. This one is a little more brighter and the rest of the information is a little more lighter, but you can still, in person, you can tell the time even in always on display version. Again, very high quality, very crisp, and looks absolutely gorgeous on this display. Moving on to the next one, this is my absolute favorite watch face. The name is Piling Up and it gives you a ton of information. My favorite feature, it has an analog clock as well as digital time here. And then there are these icons at the top that tell you the status of different things on this watch. Like this one is telling you about the Bluetooth connection. Then this one tells you about the screen lock, the night mode, and then we have the alarm. So if any of these things are turned on, they will be highlighted and you will know instantly what's going on the watch, which is something that I really like about this watch face. Then we have the distance, the battery power, we have the date here, we have the entire week, steps and calories burned. So it gives you a lot of information. This is the always on display version, very simple, tells you the time, which I like. Then another very cool stuff here is that some of these elements are interactive. So you can tap here and it will take you to the battery manager. You can tap here and it will take you to your activity details. You will tap here and it will take you to your steps manager. So some of these elements are also interactive, which is, I guess, a bonus with this watch face. Now this one is a very cool looking watch face. It looks like lines of code and it is absolutely beautiful. So it tells you the hour, minute, second, year, month, day, and battery. This is the always on display version, shows you everything in always on display as well. Sadly, it's not customizable. So this is what you get and this is what you have to live with. The name of this watch face is JSON. Next up, this watch face is called Dark Curve Block. So again, we have blocky numbers, tells you the time, battery percentage, date, day, and steps. And this looks like an always on display, but it's not. This is the always on display version of this watch face. On camera, it might not look like you can see much, but in person you can see these details very clearly as well. Moving on, this is my recent favorite watch face. This looks like a solar system, but basically this is an analog clock in the middle here. This is your seconds, this is your digital time, date, sunrise, sunset, moon phase, I guess, not sure about this one. So this is a very cool looking watch face. The name is Orbital. So again, it looks very cool, and if you go in always on display mode, it just gives you the analog time, and that's pretty much it. The value is in how beautifully designed this watch face is. And now finally, this watch face is called Explorer, and this looks like a vintage Casio watch face, and this kind of watch faces still make me very nostalgic about those watches. So if we take a look at this watch face, first of all, it's gorgeous, very high quality, very detailed. This is the always on display version, gives you this time in green accent colors. Tap on it, it comes alive. So you have the time right here, you have heart rate, and then it also has these indicators at the top that tells you what's going on the watch. Then you have your PAI value, your week, your weather, your date and day, steps, calories, battery percentage, and then you have this analog thing for the steps as well. And some of these elements are also interactable, so you can tap on it to go to weather, tap here to go to your heart rate, tap here to go to steps. The name of this watch face is Explorer. Again, one of my favorite watch faces. So that's about it. These are some of my favorite watch faces that I've been using on Amazfit Bip 6, and all of them are free. I'll put the names in the description below. You can search for them in the Zap app and you will be able to find them very easily. And if you want to support the developer community on Amazfit platform, there are some absolutely mind-blowing paid watch faces available on the Zap app. consider buying them and supporting the developers so they can continue the great work that they're doing. And that's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.